I bought a house, I named her Mango, and now me and you are redoing the whole entire thing together. So welcome to day 1 of Mango's makeover. I don't know how any of this works. I don't know where to start, but thankfully my mom does, so she's sticking around along the whole way too. I went into Floor & Decor for the first time today. We looked at floors, we looked at backsplashes, and you guys already know I'm making this place fun. I want green cabinets and a pink fridge. I like cozy, I like comfort, I like busy, so we're thrifting. We didn't manage to find anything, but I did manage to forget the house key on the first day of renovations, so we played around until my dad could bring it. The main reason I'm the most excited that I bought this house is because I get to spend more time with my mom, dad, and my best friend. I mean, who else would I end up rip-sticking through Walgreens with? But we were on a mission today, and my dad showed up with the keys, so we got our butts to work. And Lisette got to see my house for the first time, and right after that, we just started ripping crap up. My parents went outside, and I just started ripping up a carpet, no idea what I'm doing. And this is why I can't be trusted to do anything alone. We started in one bedroom, moved on to the next, and realized we needed to get every single one of these cabinets out of this place. In my head, this was going to be a terrible, miserable project. I just wanted to create and decorate, but we ended up having the time of our lives. It kind of felt like demo day, or we were in a break room and we just got to smash things and throw them around. Great way to release stress you didn't even know you had going on in your mind. We unscrewed the cabinets, we dismantled all the doors, all just through trial and error. You really learn a lot when you start destroying a house, let me tell you. The owner before this lived in this house for 49 years. There was a lot to do here. But we got to start somewhere, and it's all going to be worth it in the end. And honestly, if this is the journey, this is the best part. I'll see you next time on Mango's Makeover.